In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change homepage from Yahoo to Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. When the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You will see the three-dot menu there. Click those three dots to open the main Chrome menu, then select Settings. Once you are in Settings, find and click on Startup. This section controls what Chrome opens when you launch the browser. If you see Yahoo listed there, that means Chrome is set to open that page when the browser starts. Next, look for the three vertical dots next to the Yahoo entry. Click those dots to open the options for that startup page. At this point, you have two choices depending on what you want to do. You can click Remove if you want to delete Yahoo completely from the startup list, or you can click Edit if you want to replace it directly. If you choose Edit, change the address so it says google.com. Make sure the web address is entered clearly and correctly. This is important because even a small typing mistake can send you to the wrong page or cause the setting not to work as expected. If you removed Yahoo instead of editing it, you may need to return to the same startup section and confirm that Google is the page Chrome will open. The main goal here is simply to make sure Yahoo is no longer the startup page and Google is the one that appears instead. That covers everything you need to know.